In this quick video, I'll show you real quick how you can share your screen in Google Meet. So right now I'm on meet.google.com, and if I wanted to create a meeting and invite people and start sharing my screen, this is what I'd do. So we'll go to new meeting and we'll just create a instant meeting. So we can create a meeting. It's going to load up the meeting window where we can go ahead and add others. So if we wanted to add others, we could click and invite them by clicking this button, or we can just give them this link here. Now, if you wanted to share your screen, it is very simple. You want to go to this Present Now tab, click on that, and you've got three different options. You can share a specific Chrome tab. So maybe I want to just share this meal prep website I have available, and you can also choose whether you want to share audio. You can share a window. So maybe I just want to share Google Chrome, or I only want to share my folders, or you can just choose to share your entire screen. I'll just share my Chrome tab. We'll just share this one. Then we can click share, and it's going to then start sharing my screen, and I can make my presentation. It's also probably going to be picking up the audio, so maybe it's messed up on the commentary. But that's how you share your screen. To stop, click on that same button and click stop presenting or present something else. That's how to do it. I hope that did help you out.